Now, this is what happens when people become fitness coaches from Google articles or Instagram reels. First of all, I want you to look at this video, then I'll tell you how this reel is all about fear mongering.
How is this tomato ketchup so thick? E415. अब ये थिकनर हम इस पानी में डालेंगे और मिक्स करो अच्छे से. Now watch carefully, हाँ? Can you show it? Can you drop it? हाँ, see. ये पानी इतना थिक हो गया कि ये निकलता ही नहीं exactly. And the same chemical is added in this tomato ketchup. On the front packet, a lot of tomatoes are shown, making you believe that it is made all from tomatoes, but in reality, it is made from chemicals like these.
Now, यहाँ पे the lady is putting up a narrative that E415, which is basically xanthan gum, which is a thickener usually added in the tomato ketchups to make the consistency more thick, is usually very bad for our gut, very bad for our health. I will explain you why consuming tomato ketchups will not cause any harm or why xanthan gum in the tomato ketchups also are completely harmless. अगर आपने कभी घर पे भी टमाटो केचप बनाया हो, then you would know that आपको उसको एक particular temperature तक heat करना होता है ताकि it becomes more thick in nature. And after a few days, when you keep it refrigerated, the watery layer comes on the top. That is why the companies usually add xanthan gum or any other particular kind of thickener also to their tomato ketchups or their products, so that the thickener can keep the solid part, watery part and the spices mixed up together. Not just this, but जो ketchup हम घर पे भी बनाते हैं उसका in general shelf life काफी कम होता है, and that is why the companies have to give a larger shelf life to the customers. And that is the main reason why they have to add some kind of thickener or stabilizer into the end product so that they can increase the shelf life. तो वीडियो में भी देखोगे, the lady is putting up an experiment by adding a spoon of xanthan gum into 300 ml of water. And in general, any particular kind of tomato ketchup brand uses 0.1 to 0.3% of thickener. And I'm pretty sure आप कभी भी रोज तो tomato ketchup consume नहीं कर रहे हो, right? Once in a while, when you're consuming tomato ketchup, you're taking hardly 10 grams of tomato ketchup. And in those 10 grams of tomato ketchup, there is roughly 100 milligrams of thickener. That is barely you would even notice. जितने भी thickeners या stabilizers tomato ketchup जैसे products में use होते हैं, these all are FDA approved. And you have to understand that अगर ये सारी कंपनीज इतनी ही ज़्यादा xanthan gum, इतनी ही ज़्यादा थिकनर्स अगर ऐड करने लग गए टोमेटो केचप में, then the consistency will become so thick that it will become almost inedible only in the first place. That's why you have to always understand that every chemical is not bad for your body, although xanthan gum is not a chemical also in the first place. If you think that every chemical is bad for your body, you have to remember that hydrochloric acid in our stomach is a chemical, and without that chemical, you can't digest your food only in the first place. If you think that every natural thing is good for your body, then snake venom is also a natural thing and you cannot consume it, right? I hope you learned something from this and I'll meet you in the next.